5 Best New Meme Coins with 1000x Potential, as this viral coin offers mind-blowing bonus. The meme coin market has become a phenomenon, shaking up the crypto scene with humor, creativity, and wild price surges. With big players like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu paving the way, newer meme coins are now entering the spotlight, each promising unique features and massive returns. In today's rapidly evolving crypto landscape, these meme coins are the trendsetters for investors aiming to ride the next big wave. Among the buzz, BTFD coin, BTFD, is stealing the show with its groundbreaking features and community-driven focus. From its vibrant pre-sale success to its innovative play-to-earn P2E ecosystem, BTFD is the meme coin you don't want to overlook. Let's dive into the best new meme coins with 1000x potential and why they deserve your attention right now. 1. BTFD coin, BTFD leading the charge. BTFD coin is making waves in the meme coin space with its daring and bold approach to market trends. Buy the dip is more than just a tagline here. It's a rallying cry for those ready to seize opportunities in a volatile market. The pre-sale success of BTFD speaks volumes, with over $4.8 million raised and 62 billion coins sold across 7,500 holders. At its current price of $0.000142 in Stage 13, it's already halfway through its pre-sale journey. What's driving the hype? For starters, BTFD Coin's play-to-earn game, which launched its beta version in Stage 10, brings gamified investment to life. BTFD Coin has launched the full version of its P2E game, which allows users to play and earn through it. On top of that, the 90% APY on staking is jaw-dropping, giving investors the chance to multiply their returns while staying invested long-term. Add the Bull Squad referral program, which incentivizes growth through social sharing, and you've got a recipe for exponential community-driven expansion. Want in on this action? Getting started is easy. Head to the pre-sale page, connect your wallet, and use the bonus code BIG50 for extra coins. This bonus has been a crowd puller, enticing new investors to join the bandwagon with added savings. Why did this coin make it to this list? BTFD coin combines a solid pre-sale performance, unique gaming mechanics, and unmatched staking rewards, making it one of the best new meme coins with 1000x potential for any savvy investor. 2. Nairo, where tech meets meme culture. Nairo blends artificial intelligence with meme coin charisma, creating a perfect storm of innovation and fun. Unlike other meme coins, Nairo positions itself as a utility token with a heart. Its integration of AI-driven tools for crypto analysis is something we haven't seen in the meme coin market before. Nairo's AI bot is a game-changer. Imagine getting real-time market insights, trading alerts, and investment suggestions, all while enjoying the lighthearted vibe of a meme token. The platform's slick UI and engaging community events are drawing in a diverse crowd of tech enthusiasts and crypto newbies alike. People aren't just buying a coin, they're becoming part of a revolution. On the tokenomics front, Nairo has a deflationary model that keeps its value in check. With every transaction, a percentage of tokens is burned, creating scarcity and boosting demand. Its ecosystem is designed to reward long-term holders, making it an attractive choice for anyone looking to dive into the meme coin craze without sacrificing innovation. 3. Dogs the underdog rising. Dogs might seem like a quirky addition to this list, but don't let its name fool you. This coin is a powerhouse of community engagement and creative marketing. Dogs is all about celebrating man's best friend while offering serious crypto rewards. The unique charm of dogs lies in its commitment to animal welfare. A percentage of every transaction goes directly to charities supporting stray dogs and rescue organizations. This socially conscious approach has won over animal lovers and crypto enthusiasts alike, creating a passionate and loyal community. What makes dogs stand out in the crowded meme coin market is its hyperactive roadmap. The development team is pushing out features like NFT collections, decentralized exchanges, and staking pools faster than most coins could dream of. They're also using some cheeky guerrilla marketing tactics. Imagine seeing a pack of costumed dogs at crypto conventions promoting the coin. Now, that's how you grab attention. 4. Book of Meme, boom, a cult classic in the making. Book of Meme feels like something straight out of a meme lover's fantasy. With its tongue-in-cheek references to ancient texts and mythological lore, Bohm is the coin for anyone who loves a good laugh while making serious returns. Bohm's marketing campaign is the stuff of legend. Its social media presence is filled with hilarious memes, witty clapbacks, and viral campaigns that captivated the crypto world. Behind the humor, though, is a robust tokenomics structure designed to reward early adopters. With low entry costs and high liquidity, Bohm has managed to attract a wave of new investors looking for the next big thing. On the tech side, Bohm is experimenting with decentralized content platforms, allowing creators to monetize memes and connect with fans directly. This use case is a fresh take in the meme coin market and has the potential to create a thriving ecosystem. 5. Notcoin, not the irony king of crypto. Notcoin embraces irony like no other. Its tagline, "It's not a coin," has become a rallying cry for the skeptics, rebels, and contrarians of the crypto world. Notcoin's self-aware humor has turned it into a cultural phenomenon, attracting a massive following almost overnight. What sets Not apart is its focus on flipping the script. It's a meme coin that pokes fun at meme coins, yet it's backed by solid fundamentals. The development team is delivering features like automated trading tools, NFT collections, and even a FUD tracker to monitor and counter crypto misinformation. They're turning satire into substance, and it's working brilliantly. Not's pre-sale was a smash hit, selling out within weeks and generating headlines for its unconventional marketing stunts. Think pop-up meme museums and cryptic teasers that kept investors guessing. If you're looking for a coin that's both smart and entertaining, Not fits the bill perfectly. How the economy of 1973 changed the game. Why buy the dip? Let's rewind to 1973. The global economy faced one of its most significant downturns, with oil crisis and inflation hitting hard. Savvy investors learned the value of buying undervalued assets during these turbulent times. Fast forward to today, and the lessons remain the same. In a bearish crypto market, buying the dip is a proven strategy to maximize returns once the tide turns. This is where BTFD coin shines. Its very name embodies the buy the dip mantra, encouraging investors to act boldly during uncertain times. With features like its 90% APY staking program, referral rewards, and P2E game, BTFD offers a compelling reason to take action now while prices are low. The bottom line, don't miss out. The meme coin market is buzzing, and the best new meme coins with 1000x potential are ready to make their mark. From BTFD's stellar presale and staking rewards to Nairo's AI integration and Dog's charitable mission, each of these coins offers something unique. Book of Meme brings humor and innovation, while Notcoin flips the script with its ironic charm. Ready to make your move? Join the BTFD coin presale now and secure your spot in the next big crypto wave. Opportunities like this don't come often.